Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Van Dijk tries the route one option, chip through, Milner. Firmino hits it! Get it clear. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Is there any support? He might not need it. He scores! So a warm welcome to you all. We will be underway very shortly once all the pleasantries are complete. I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me will be Jim Beglin.
Cheers, Peter. It's a privilege to be here. It really is.
Quick look at the lineups. The whistle. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Well, I'd say the ability of Christian Eriksen makes him the standout player. He plays as a free spirit with licence to roam to his liking across the attacking third of the pitch. A craftsman and a very smart free kick taker too.
Yes, they'll certainly be leaning heavily on him. He's managed to get himself offside.
I'm not sure about that call, you know, but we get to see replays.
Oxlade-Chamberlain. Wijnaldum. Mane. Passes it through. Son Heung-min. Now it's Llorente. Into the channel. Son Heung-min looking to get on the end of this. The defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. And it's Salah. Firmino. Tries a through ball. Dyer. Dembele. Dele Alli. Davis. Looking cross-field, changing the point of attack. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Van Dijk tries the route one option. Chip through. Milner. Firmino hits it! Can he score? Ball's loose, who's getting there? He's looking to get there first. That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been the most eye-catching goal we'd seen. Ultimately, the numbers prevented him from scrambling it in.
Llorente. Dyer. To the keeper and go again. Van Dijk. And it's Milner. Mane. Christian Eriksen with a good steal, well played. Looks to slip it through. Eriksen clears it out of harm's way. Llorente. Oh, well defended, that had to be done. Well, that's where he wants it. Well played, he saw that coming. Keeper's got good distance on that. Now the pass. Shade too heavy, keeper can pick that up. It's a throw. Ericsson. He's made sure that that won't get through. Oxlade-Chamberlain. And it's Mane. Milner drives forward with purpose. Firmino. Lloris gets it upfield. Ericsson. Llorente. Out to the flank. And he's made certain that won't get through. Loose. Trippier, Ali, can he finish? Mohamed Salah. Wijnaldum. Dembele. Vertonghen. Davis. Ball has crossed the line and it's a throw. And it's Dele Alli. Dele Alli plays a clever pass. Who's going to make this theirs? Referee's had a look and he's blown his whistle for half-time. So they head in no further forward. The score here still 0-0. So off we go once more.
Liverpool playing well with lots of opportunities and plenty positives to take from the first half. Despite this scoreline, converting chances would make a world of difference for them.
And he's there to hoof it away. Son Heung-min floats one over. Matip can hoist it clear. Llorente. Out of play for a goal kick. Oxlade-Chamberlain. Salah. Firmino. Mohamed Salah with the ball through. Ericsson. And it's Trippier. Llorente. Ericsson. Where to from here? Trippier. Ali. Good clearance and very necessary. He's in! Mane. Looks like a good ball through. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Roberto Firmino with a really impressive run, which nearly went the whole way. Wijnaldum. Not long left, and still we await the breakthrough. Plays it into the channel. Pressure stays on, it is a corner. Vertonghen gets it away. Milner. Good. Dele Alli concedes a free kick for that. And And he's going to have his name taken. And the players are flocking round their fallen colleague, and they look worried. And it's Firmino. Wijnaldum. Milner. Wijnaldum plays it out to the wing. Trippier. Eriksen. Roberto Firmino gets it back. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. It's a throw in. Needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Trippier passes it through. Now it's Ali. Aimed long and direct. Wijnaldum. That's not going to make it. Now it's Llorente. Dyer battles to win it back. And it's Dele Alli. Dembele. Now it's Llorente. Matip. Dembele goes long and forward. Llorente with the ball through. And the defence can get it clear. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Come back to the keeper. Vertonghen, spoon forward, looks to slip it through. Goes wide. Van Dijk. Dyer, with a delicate ball. Keeper's ball. Milner. That'll be a throw-in. Now it's Llorente. That's great strength on the ball. Oxlade-Chamberlain. And that is that. And stalemate. One, if not for fans, then perhaps for coaches, satisfied by organisation and solidity. Little cutting edge at either end, and it finishes 0-0. So what do you take away from it all, Jim?
Listen, I think they certainly met their match here. There was a lovely ebb and flow to the encounter, but